Dear Year 11 parents, thank you so much for your amazing children. They have been an absolute credit to you and also to us this week with this first assessment week. They've just been brilliant in every aspect of this week, whether sat in an exam venue in their maths exams or obviously in the in-class assessments as well. They've just been absolutely brilliant and really the most positive kind of exam experience that certainly I've run since I've been in the school, and we're really appreciative of that. In terms of the Year 11 assessments that they're taking at the moment, there's two aspects to assessments. One, there's the final results, which of course are very important to your children, obviously to yourself. But for us, this series was always about helping them to be organised and understand the demands of revising for multiple exams and assessments. So just keep coming back to back, and many of them have had 2 or even 3 assessments in a day, and that does mirror the GCSEs. So we are aware that when we're running class assessments, that students get to talk to each other because they take them at different times. I know with regards to the maths exam, there was a bit of second guessing what the paper might be, but we factor all that into when we're assessing the results and what we're using the results for. But again, I must stress that the process here is just as important as the outcome for us. And as we look forward towards February and the April series, and then onto the exams in May and June, then there will be far more rigor about that exams process. And maybe some of the concerns maybe you had around fairness and what have you, certainly will come into play a lot more in that set of exams. In terms of the Year 11 assessments, thank you to all the parents that have fed back to me about wanting to know dates, what's happening. All that information now can be found on your Firefly in the exam sections under pre-public exams, and the link is here. I'll also send that link in the email to you. But a few more key dates after this assessment week is the 1st of February to the 12th, 2 weeks before half term. There'll be a formal set of PPEs, which will be all in exam venues. And then the week after Easter, there will be a series of exams for the core subjects, English, Maths, Science and RE for students as a final kind of preparation before the real GCSEs begin. So please do look at those, and those schedules in draft are on the Firefly page. And the final bit, what we're doing this for, I've talked about the why before. I know there's a lot of information come to you around colleges. We're no different. On our website, under the Sixth Form website, our open day is now ready to view. You can there's a really good video to watch there about life in the college. It is very different to school life, and I know obviously other colleges around the place are doing similar. So it really is now time during this next assessment week, and then the priority for students is really to decide which courses they're going to apply for, and share with them that we need the students to fill up our college places. So irrespective of how they're feeling about how they're doing, we do need the students to get on to the sixth form courses or the college courses. So that's a really big positive thing to share with your amazing children, and they have been amazing this week. So if you have any queries, as always, please do feed them back to us. We haven't got all the solutions at the moment, but if we're aware of the problems, we can start working towards those. And do give your children a little bit of a break, let them have a lie in, feed them well, and prepare them for next week. Okay, thank you.